What's going down, YouTube? What's going down, YouTube? How you guys been? I want to start off by saying Happy New Year, Happy 2018. I hope all is well with you and your families, and I hope you guys get to start your projects. I'm hoping to finish my project, or at least half my project by the end of this year, so I hope and good luck to you guys on your project. Today, I'm going to be taking you guys to Harbor Freight. I got to get my jack finally because I gave my pops mine back in California. And I will be heading to my buddy Alan's house. So, huge tip, if you guys ever want to go to Harbor Freight, make sure you check out their little sales department before you go get anything. See that sales right there? Boom. The one I thought I was going to get. That's the one I thought it was on the paper. It's not exactly the same as what I want, but I guess this is it right here. Oh well, good thing I'm on bags. Now let's see how this is gonna work. Oh, well, it wouldn't work if my door was locked. One more. There we go. Oh goddamn! This goddamn thing is heavy. Let me see. Did you guys watch me? Cool. I guess I lied. Guess I did work. Oh shit. No, it doesn't. Coolio. Damn it! The S2008 motherfucker again. Can you guys see it for me? Oh. If you have an S2000, comment down below if you always lose your phone or anything down the side of the pockets. And if you have a resolution for it, please let me know, because I need something so I can stop losing my phone. So we pulled up to Alan's house. That's his car right there, and that's his brother's car. They both their projects. I believe they started a YouTube channel. I'll put their link in the description below, and you guys can follow their builds. Check out the Slaughter Boy over here. What's going on, fellas? What's going on? What you guys up to?
Reading the sensors in his car. See why he's getting like errors.
Uh-oh.
Getting codes. You know, like it's good now. So, okay. Maybe just reading.
Look at that.
Alright, that's better. You're doing diag work.
Mr. Slaughter Boy. Having some codes pop up, huh? Sucks.
Damn, these sucks. Yeah,
so will this, you know, normal size jack fit in your car? Will it fit?
No.
Does it go any lower?
That goes lower.
Oh, you pressed me really low. What do you need? This? Not much lower.
Oh no, you're down. Yeah, we're not fitting.
Whoa. Good thing for me, I just bought a low profile jack from Harbor Freight. So, yeah, it's in the car. You gotta get it out. It's heavy as fuck. I know my car's on the ground.
You can't drive on the ground, you know that, right?
It's called air suspension, boss.
It's a heavy ass.
Get it. There you go. Ah.
How much was this?
86 bucks. It's on sale right now. Ends in February. 86 bucks. The one that I actually wanted was 120 bucks. You can drag it, because you know, we're gonna probably leave the box here. Look at this. Look at this guy. To be honest, that's how I dragged it out the store. I was not carrying it. I dragged it just out the store just like that.
It's heavy. Yeah.
It's heavy. So what exactly are we doing to your car today? Well, I might be here for a part of it.
Come on,
What are those? What are those?
That's what you put on. You have the wheels that are wrong. I'm getting wheels.
Damn, brother's talking shit.
Grabbing my wheels.
When? When can we know about these wheels?
Next weekend?
Ooh, next weekend?
No.
Ooh.
Figured it'd be easier to open.
It's that new. Oh shit.
Pinch my fingers. Use a whole finger right here.
Ah.
Oh. 86?
Yeah, 86 bucks. Just bought it.
That's a long time. Is that the quick pump?
Yeah, the rapid pump.
Look at that.
Quick
It's damn near all the way up there.
Same difference.
Part of the reason why I got rid of my last jack was because I lost, not that piece, this piece. I'm gonna lose it this time. I'm sure I have this all the time.
Are you leaving this in your car?
No. Look at that. Must be nice to have, you know, the stock stuff in the back of the trunk.
Oh, you don't have stock stuff.
I took that out in that a long time ago.
You took it out?
Yeah,
Oh,
very
no.
long time ago.
Oh no, baby, this is the
Hell
wrong.
no.
This the wrong size, baby.
Oh, so they're different?
Yeah, we need bigger.
Why don't you just take this and then measure it compared to your tools back there? Boom, look at that.
How about you
Look at these, so smart.
How about you stop being smart?
17.
Check out this wrapped roof. Man.
That's what you want to call it.
So you wouldn't call this a wrapped roof?
No 22s? Or no 20s?
I don't know. I don't think so. I think 19 is bigger. Jesus.
Oh.
This is how you don't do stuff, kids.
Oh, you should definitely step on it.
Nah, bro.
See that back angle right there?
No,
You're gonna hurt it.
I am.
You're gonna hurt the hell out of your back.
I am a breaker bar.
Or usually I pull up.
Isn't that how you really hurt your back?
What?
Pulling up on it?
Yeah.
And the twist and jerking motion?
I usually use a breaker bar though, so significantly less torque on me.
But do we have a socket to fit it?
Yeah, I usually do too. Mechanical advantage.
He brought a socket, but it was for his car only.
Hey,
Not his car.
I don't have an Infinity.
Me neither.
Okay.
Make good life choices. Whew. That was stressful.
Now, do we go up?
Now you gotta break both of them. Both sides. You already got your shocks on the back?
So what size are your spacers?
No. Can't remember.
Holy smacks. He does not remember what size spacers he's putting on.
I think 15 now. What's the parking brake?
You said what's a parking brake?
Yeah, what's the parking brake?
Is your back hurt yet?
Oh,
Good thing they're stock wheels, huh?
oh my God. You said what?
It's a good thing they're stock wheels.
What? I know, right, man?
Because I'm gonna tear the works apart.
Uh-oh.
Or you don't know, like, you never know when these on.
So this is actually two, guys. Don't think it's one. It's two put together. Boom. So that's what it looks like. Shit. Damn it. My bad.
Language. Jesus.
You're right. You're right. That was my fault.
If the rim doesn't have holes in the back of it, it's not even gonna work. You guys
Talking about like this hub-centric type thing?
Oh no, it has it. So let's see. Okay. And then it should.
I think that fits.
Let me see. It should line up sexily.
Oh, it's not the right size?
Oh no.
What the hell is that? Wait. What do you think? What's that?
Tie on the curb.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
These said they were for Infinity. Oh, they're just.
And we already came to a problem.
I've never seen one like that. Like usually they're flat.
So apparently
Honda and Toyota, they're flat.
that's in the way.
Cut it off. Send it.
Right? Just send it and cut it off.
Jesus.
In the arms of the angel. That sucks, man. So what I'm thinking is this is just a nut and a washer, but that's like a really thick one to help pull the rotor off. So we're gonna try to take it off and see if that would change anything. Might just move this. That's a small one, boss.
Jesus.
Holy guacamole. It's a small one. It won't fit on there, mate. Look at that. Oh, I'm too close.
Hey!
But yeah, it looks like it'll come off. Look like it has a crease back there.
Oh yeah!
Can you come off?
Yeah.
Using my head.
You might be a little helpful.
I might be a little helpful. I'm a lot of helpful. Alright, we gotta hurry up and get these on there so by the time I can see it before I leave. These don't fit.
They do. Oh shit. They're like screwing all fucking ass backwards. It looks like a fuck.
These are different sizes from this.
Oh yeah.
The different thread pitches.
Oh fuck, I forgot that.
Fuck! Let's see what the tire looks like, at least on there.
When I was looking at the left side, came up.
Just drop it down and it just shoots out. Drops the car.
Bing, 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 dong.
M12 by 1.25. Yep.
Get on it, baby. Oh man, don't play with me. Oh yeah.
Could you find the holes?
Let me sit
Apparently
down.
not.
It's about 5 of them, man. It's about 5.
Don't get loud. You gotta be gentle.
Gentle, is that right?
Oh, pushes it out nicely.
Okay. Well, this, I guess, is where the tire would sit, you know. But they have to run the lows to get different threads because these doesn't fit on his car. But I have to run back home. I got invited out to dinner tonight, so I won't be here to see the end result.
They'll fit on my Honda.
Right?
Spacers?
Bet they'll fit on my Honda too.
You want to throw them on? Not really. I got 2 sets.
One day, Alan, I'm gonna see you like this. Alrighty guys, so I just pulled up home. I want to give you guys a quick look at my front bumper and how I have it just basically hang on by a thread. It looks like it's completely on there, but it's truly just like mashed up against it. Let me show you guys. So this is my driver's side, as you can see. That's it. I barely tugged on that. I like messed it all up. This whole thing is just ripped. Well, this is not ripped, but I don't have nowhere to screw that into. It's like a little piece in there that's supposed to hook on. That's basically about... Look, it's not even going back. Holy crap. Oh, what did I do? There it go. There it goes, guys. That looks nasty. I'm pretty sure you guys wouldn't notice that unless you see it in person, right? This side's perfectly fine now. A little loose, but good thing I got 2 of them. Alrighty guys, I do apologize for this being a short vlog. Didn't really plan on vlogging much besides going to Alan's house, and I do gotta get ready to go hang out. Ooh, you guys can't see me at all. Doesn't really help out either. Well, yeah, I do apologize for this being a short vlog. I will keep on trying to upload more and more videos as much as I can. With work, I get off pretty late, so by the time I get off, it's nighttime. So the only time I do get the vlog is the weekends. But if you guys like this video or any of my other videos, drop a like on them or drop a like on this one. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am Levon, and I'm out of here.